Yeah, John, an update quickly on a story that we brought you earlier today. Mexico's President Claudia Sheinbaum saying in a news conference today that President Trump has agreed to delay the deadline for Mexico trade talks by a few weeks. The Mexican president said she spoke with Trump by phone on Saturday about trade, but an administration official texted me this hour to dispute that characterization, saying there was no mention of an extension, only that both countries would work together in the coming weeks to complete the deal. So given that a 90-day extension last granted by President Trump expires Wednesday, this would appear to take some of the pressure off of that timeline, whether it's an official extension or not. We'll get some more clarity on that. And meanwhile, in Tokyo this morning, the president began with a handshake and a courtesy visit with the emperor, and later is going to have a meeting with the new Japanese Prime Minister, Sana Takaichi, who is the first woman to hold that role in Japan. On Air Force One, President Trump spoke extensively with reporters, but he said he didn't want to share details of what officials are calling a framework economic agreement between the U.S. and China that could be signed by President Trump and Chinese Xi Jinping later this week.
I don't want to tell you what the understanding is, because what we understood yesterday or 2 days ago or even today is not going to be necessarily what it's going to be in 2 days. I mean, we're going to have a great talk. I have a lot of respect for President Xi. I like him a lot. He likes me a lot, I believe, and respects me, and I think he respects our country.
So we expect to see two big items on the agenda this evening when the Asian workday begins on Tuesday morning there. That meeting with the Japanese Prime Minister, as well as a business event with CEOs. Not exactly clear yet who's going to be attending, but it should be an all-star list of executives on hand for the event, guys. Back over to you.